Hello traders, I hope you are doing well. So tomorrow we have core PPI numbers and there is a scenario setting up on gold which I wanted to discuss with you guys. So let's move on to the charts. As you can see, gold took this weekly highs and closed back inside this range. We were short from about 2000s and now there is another short opportunity that is coming up. Zooming in on the 4 hour, we can see we have two ranges, one with the white and one with the yellow. The white range was our previous range which broke down and created another range which is marked with the yellow levels. So now if we zoom on to the 30-minute chart to see how price reacted of these levels, these highs on the 4 hour. So let's zoom on to the 30-minute chart. You can see price took out the range highs of the new range and immediately closed back inside. I have shorted some gold here with like 2 lots and I will look to add if tomorrow on news we get a sweep of this highs and close back inside. I will look to target lower targets of 1930s and 1920s. So this is a 5 to 6 hour trade. I hope everything is clear and do wait for the news before taking any trades. Currently I am 50% short on gold and will look to add more if there are wicks on the news.